Good morning, children. How are you? For last few days, we have been doing multiplication. And today also, we will continue with the same chapter. In previous videos, we had learned properties of multiplication, multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers, multiplication of 4-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. Today we will learn word problems. Word problems in multiplication. Children, as you know, word problems are situations related to daily life. डेली लाइफ में हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन का किस तरीके से यूज करते हैं टुडे वी विल लर्न दैट. Children, we will learn it with the help of examples. And our first example is, there are 316 biscuits in a tin. How many biscuits will be there in 25 such tins? एक टिन में 316 बिस्किट्स हैं, वैसे ही 25 टिन्स में कितने बिस्किट्स होंगे? तो सेम टाइप ऑफ टिन्स हैं, सच टिन्स मीन्स एक जैसे टिन्स हैं, तो we have to do repeated addition. 316 plus 316 plus 316 and so on 25 times. And you know it, repeated addition is multiplication. So in place of adding repeatedly, what will we do? We will multiply 316 and 25. 316 और 25 को हम multiply करेंगे. But first of all, we will write all this information in simple language. That means we will write our statements. So our first statement will be number of biscuits in one tin. That is equal to 316. Next statement will be number of biscuits in 25 tins. That is equal to 316 multiplied by 25. Now we will write these numbers in columns of thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So after writing them in columns, we will first split 25 into 20 plus 5. So first of all, we will multiply 316 by 5. So 5 6 are 30 because 6 is present in one's place. So we will multiply 5 by 6 first. 5 6 are 30. We will write 0 in one's place and 3 will be carried over. Next we will multiply tens place and 1 is present there. So 5 ones are 5 plus 3 was carried over. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So we will write 8 in tens place. Now 3 is present in hundreds place. So we will multiply 5 by 3. 5 threes are 15. So after multiplying 316 by 5, we got 1580, which is our first product. Now next we will multiply 316 by 20. And when we multiply any number by 20, first we put 0 in one's place and after that we multiply that number by 2. So now 316 will be multiplied by 2. So digit in one's place is 6. So 2 6 are 12. And this will 12 means we have to write 2 in tens place because we have already written 0 in one's place. So 2 will be written in tens place and 1 will be carried over to the hundreds place. Next we will multiply 2 with 1. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1 was carried over. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. Children, 1 was carried over to the tens place, not hundreds place. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. Next we will multiply 2 by 3 because 3 is in hundreds place. So 2 threes are 6. So second product we have got is 6320. Now we will add these two products. First product was 1580. Second product was 6320. we will add both the products to get our final answer. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we will write 0 in tens place, and 1 will be carried over to the hundreds place. And 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1 was carried over. So 9 will be written in hundreds place. And 6 plus 1, 7. So our final answer is 7,900. And how will we write our answer? So 7,900 will be 7,900 biscuits will be there in 25 such tins. Children, let's take another example, and that is a mathematics book for class 4 has 216 pages. एक मैथ्स की बुक है क्लास 4 की जिसमें 216 पेजेस हैं. हाउ मेनी पेजेस विल 45 कॉपीज ऑफ द सेम बुक हैव? उसी बुक की 45 कॉपीज होंगी तो उनमें टोटल कितने पेजेस होंगे वो हमने बताना है. एक जैसी बुक्स हैं और हर बुक में 216 पेजेस हैं. दैट मीन्स अगेन वी हैव टू ऐड रिपीटेडली, and repeated addition is multiplication. So in place of adding repeatedly, we will use multiplication. But first of all, we will write all this information in very simple language. And children, as you can see, there are three numbers given. One is 4, next is 216, and the third one is 45. But 4 is class 4, and it has nothing to do with pages of the book. So we will not use 4 in our calculation. Okay. Now let's write this statement first. First statement will be number of pages in a book is equal to 216. Next statement will be number of pages in 45 books. That is equal to 216 multiplied by 45. Now we will arrange these numbers in columns of thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So now after arranging these numbers, we will split 45 into 40 plus 5. And first of all, we will multiply 216 by 5. So 5 6 are 30 because 6 is present in ones place. 5 6 are 30, 0 will be written in ones place and 3 will be carried over to the tens place. Now we will multiply 5 by 1 which is present in tens place. 5 ones are 5 and 3 was carried over. So 5 plus 3, 8 will be written in tens place. Next we will multiply 5 by 2 because 2 is present in hundreds place. So 5 twos are 10. Now next we will multiply 216 by 40. So because we have to multiply it by 40, so we will write 0 in ones place and we will multiply 216 by 4. So 4 6 are 24 and 4 will be written in tens place and 2 will be carried over. Next we will multiply 4 by 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 was carried over. So we will write 4 plus 2, 6. And next we will multiply 4 by 2. 4 twos are 8. So we will write 8. So after multiplying 216 by 4, we have got the product 8,640. Our first product was 1,080 and second product is 8,640. Now we will add both the products. In ones place, we have both the zeros. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 only. In tens place, we have 8 and 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we will write 2 in tens place and 1 will be carried over to the hundreds place. And in hundreds place, we have 0 and 6. That is equal to 6 and 1 was carried over. So 6 plus 1, 7. 7 will be written in hundreds place. In thousands place, we have 1 and 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. So our final answer is 9720. And how will we write this answer? So 45 copies of the same book will have 9720 pages. So children, that's all for today. I hope you find it easy to solve word problems in multiplication. So you have to complete question number 1 to 5 of exercise 4E in your maths notebook. Thank you.